All right, y'all. So now we're in task 2, part A, and it's just saying create a random triangle ABC, record the lengths of sides BC and CA, and the measure of the included angle, which right here, the angle that they're looking for is C. And then it says take a screenshot of your results, save it, and insert the image below. Yeah, make sure that you all are inserting the images if they're asking for images to get full credit. Right, so right here, again, creating a random triangle ABC. So you go to polygon and you just click there, click your first point. Let's go A, B, C, and then just close the triangle right there. All right. So now we have that. So let's just go to point right here. And that's just to get it off of for making more triangles. And so what we want to do is get the measurements, right? So I think the first one it said right here was sides BC. So let's go to side BC. So here you BC, click that. And you see that is 6, right? Just 6 units. So here you would just go BC and you can just do 6 or you can do 6 units. Right, then the next one, sorry, it said CA, right? So let's look for CA. So you just click here. And then you come over here where you see a little gray box highlighted, this little circle, and that is 4.24, right? So for that one, you're going to go here and you're going to do 4.24. Let's just do units. All right, and now they want the angle C. So let's go and look for the angle C right here. And so here you see this is angle C. Remember, if you want to get the measurement for that, you click angle, then you go clockwise here, here, and then here, and it gives you 45 degrees, right? So then here you would just go and put 45, right? And so that's how you do this part A.